This is the ABM720 acrylic bending machine. Lightweight, compact, and easy to use. The body is made of aluminum, so it's strong and much lighter than older machines. You can use it right on a normal table. It features a digital temperature display with fast, accurate heat control. Just set the temperature, wait a bit, and you're ready to bend. It works with acrylic, PC, ABS, PP, and other plastic sheets, up to 10 mm thick. Bends are smooth, clean, and reliable. The machine is quiet, easy to move, and simple to maintain. Cleaning or changing the heater takes just a few minutes. Here, we're using it to bend acrylic into a clear, modern shoe rack. Fast, clean, and professional. If you need a small but powerful bending machine, the ABM720 is a great choice for any workspace.